Mathematics isn't just a subject, it is the key to unlocking the full potential of drones. From calculating the perfect angles for stabilizing flight to determining the optimal propeller size, every aspect of drone design relies on mathematical precision. Coding, a language built on mathematical logic, empowers you to control your drone's every move. It's the math behind the magic. Trigonometry comes to life as you plot precise flight paths and track objects in the skies with incredible accuracy. Analyzing data from sensors requires statistical know-how. Mathematics helps you interpret numbers and make informed decisions. Working with peers, you'll tackle real-world challenges, applying mathematical principles to devise innovative solutions. Join us at Let Maths Take Off. Innovate your drone expertise with the power of mathematics.